Let's go live in the forest, I said. It'll be fun, I said. Then there's trees. There's trees in the forest. Do you know that? They fall. Every time there's a storm, trees fall. This one we had spotted recently that it needed to come down, and well, it did. It's not exactly how we wanted it to come down. Thankfully, minimal damage. Could have been worse. I got all the way back there. Took a little tree out on the way. We still have that one next to it that needs to come down because it's got damage to where it's got quite a few holes from the woodpeckers. You can see right here, and this one is covered in holes, which means there's bugs inside of it. But yeah, well, don't need to cut this one down anymore. And this poor little tulip tree, it was just a victim. It was fine. I'm sorry, you can sprout again, okay? Oh, my little light pole. It didn't work anyway. We don't know why. It's never worked since we moved here, and we've yet to get an electrician out here. And the lamp is all the way over there. And this is like the 4th or 5th tree that has fallen today. Which is not surprising. Not safe to go in the forest right now. One tree down. Well, I knew it was at least 2 because the dead one took out the live one. But to my surprise, it's 2 trees, 3, 4 trees. Yay! 4 for 1. At least I moved the trailer, which was parked right about there. And I completely uprooted the live trees.
The birds will like perching on it.
Yeah. And I'm sure I uprooted a bunch of bugs. Let's see. It looks kind of cool. My phone got some moisture in it, so that's why everything looks a bit hazy. Not cool. That's not cool. So many leaves and branches. The floor is not covered in green before.
Probably not much compared to Florida.